Hey my friends and fans, welcome back to Roblox basically, and name's Hunter Killer, and we're going to play Apocalypse Rising. If you haven't played this game, make sure you tap it in or check it out. It's really fun. I play it on Xbox. I play it on almost all the time on Roblox. But let's just play basically. It'll load. Just give it 2 years. No, I'm just kidding. It's going to take a few minutes. No, I'm also just kidding for that. It's probably going to take a few seconds. And this is taking very long to do. And finished. Skip it. Just skip it. I really don't. What the? Just skip it. Please, just skip the intro. Oh, thank God. We used a minute trying to load this up. Ooh, hairstyle. Oh, this one looks good. Hair color. You know what, let's just continue. Cardio, where you can run as fast as you can, survivalist, ninja, or vanity. Health, you have more health basically. I like using the running thing, because then you don't have to stop and get your stamina up. Like I do. I did like, oh, health is better. So then I got health, and then I was like, oh my God, I'm dying so fast, why? And then I say, oh, because I don't have any food, and the town's over there right next to the village, and I'm out of stamina. And the reason why I chose this perk is because stamina comes back very easily. Yeah. Where's the stamina bar? Man, you can't see it. That sucks. Well, anyway, we're doing good so far. Ooh, I saw something I could pick up. Alright. I'm doing good. Oh God. Did I open the door? Yes. Oh, combat knife. Perfect. It's gonna help with any incoming walkers. Well, zombies. Or players that want to do, knife fights. Or, like, sword fights or something like that. Oh, yes! Yes! It's good to hit one of these right off the bat, because they usually have painkillers and, what else do they have? They have food and blood bags. Oh, someone just died. Here. I gotta get something real quick. Inventory. No, not the blood bags. There we go. We'll close the inventory, then we'll go. Oh wait, no. Go back in. I know I missed that blood bag, but I really don't need it. I already have 2. Watch this, I'm probably gonna need it later and I'm gonna be screwed. But hey, I really don't need it. Like, just the accessory. Ooh! I need that for inventory space. Nothing. Oh, wait. Oh, yes! Cowboy hat. Then we're gonna have to do this. So go in the inventory. Cowboy hat. I gotta wear the item so I don't take up any space. I think it gives me armor. I don't know. Maybe it doesn't. That would suck. There is ballistic there are ballistic masks in this or something like that. Mask in this game. And oh my god, shotgun. And they are good to use, but in my opinion, they're really good. Like, they're really good. They give you lots of armor. Well, speaking of armor, you could get armored cars in the game. Well, you could build them. So you find cars around the map and you could steal their peoples if they, the cars are screwed up badly. My taste are great. If I have the supplies I have to, like, fix the car, they don't use it if their car's busted, because it's not like they're going to use it. Am I right? Oh man, no more inventory. Alright, give me a second, people. Inventory. Equip. And then we're just going to drop you. We don't need you at all. Drop. And we should be fine. And we just gotta hit this skin. And oh wait. Take the model. Random. Let's see, that's it. Scar. We'll take that. Another person just got killed. Now we know that these people are savages and they'll kill anyone who gets in their way. Let me just close this just for safe measures. Or precautions, maybe. Maybe the right word. And I think I've already searched this house. Things on shells. Oh, I thought I saw some. I thought I saw some shells in here. This is gonna be great. Zero mags? What? That's a bunch of baloney. Someone leaves a perfect sawed-off shotgun and there's no ammo. Savages. I bet they took. This ammo will not go to you. Basically we're doing good so far. I think I'm gonna make this a series for Roblox. What do you guys think? I don't know. I think I'm gonna make this a series because it's fun to play. And there's nothing in the house. Oh, my look is kind of dry right now. Ooh, a tire. Is it armored? That's a car wheel. You never know. Some dude could be missing it, and they could be screwed. Oh, yes. This would be a dude that's trying to fix his car. Dream. Here, you know what? I'm just gonna drop this thing off right here. This one, I can't even carry it. Well, I can carry it, but this is useless too. Like, ow. I need to eat or I'm gonna die. I also need a drink. And then if someone stumbles by all this stuff, they can have it if they want. But for me, it was just junk. Like, nothing I needed. Anything in here? Nothing. How come there's almost nothing inside almost every building? Oh, open. But it's stuck there for a second. Got this. Let's see what's in here. Nothing. Alright, we'll just go over here then. Well, alright, we got a fork in the road, so let's take the right, because it's always right. Well, it's not always right, don't believe me. But it might be right, meh? You never know. Forgot to reload my revolver, too. That sound perfect. It already had 6 bullets in it, like, come on! I have 2 mags left over. This thing already had 6 bullets in it. Why didn't the shotgun have, none? Oh my god. Why didn't the shotgun have, like, at least 4? Or 6. I think this thing could, the pump shotgun could hold, 4. I know, like, one of those fancy shotguns could hold, like, they could hold, like, very, like, small amounts of ammo, like 2 shots. Wait, yeah, they can hold 2 shots. That's all they could do. Oh god, glitch. See what's in here. Nothing of my interest. So let's just get out of here. Oh, don't run into the wall. Please don't get stuck. I almost get stuck. Every time that's like, more screen glass. That happens a lot lately on Roblox. I get my head stuck in something. Mostly walls. I literally just walk up to a building and get my head stuck in it, and I'm like, oh, come on. Because then I have to restart it. Or restart the game. Well, wait, no, I have to reset my character. Which is basically restarting the game for this. So you can find your spawn and get all your stuff back. Now, here's where I don't even know what the chem light is for. But I'll take it. Free stuff. I don't even know what it's for, but it might be good. Oh my god, a survival pack. It's a lot better than this freaking terrible hunk of junk fanny pack. Now, to all you people that love fanny packs, I'm sorry, but that really wasn't going to help me in that situation. Ooh, that was good. A broken down door with a few, like, 6 rounds in it. I don't know how many rounds are in that, but it might be 6. Chips Ahoy! I want to see these. Oh, move forward, please! Ooh, soda. It's like this thing in this game. Oh, you drink soda and you eat freaking junk food. That's all you have to do. Survive. Really? Yes!
Yeah, get your naked ass off of that.
Oh, M1 Grand Rifle? That thing's good. How was this? M1 Grand. Ooh, no, this might be good. Oh god, I really don't want to do that. Ah! Alright, now. Oh, beautiful. Now that's the sound of something you want to hear. A cha-ching! Or something like that. I think that's what it sounds like. Here. Some more ammo. Yes, it is. Oh, Jesus. Alright guys, I guess this is a good place to leave off. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and tell me if you like this video. I'll see you guys later. I hope you have a good day.